In this episode, we're going to be adding a network switch from Ubiquiti UniFi range, and this is going to be added to the UniFi network console. So if we go to the website 192.168.1.1, here you should be brought to your UDM-Pro UniFi OS login page. So enter the password that you've created previously, click sign in. Then you will see a box appear saying ready to add USW Pro24 or another device name depending on which switch you're using. So we will click add. Then the following web page will appear with the device, and it will say as a status adopting. So we just wait for it to adopt the device. Quickly you can see it's saying getting ready under the status. So the device is getting ready for use. Once the device has finished adopting, it will change the status to online. So if we click on that, it will bring you up an information box window with information about the switch you've just added. We can click on ports. It will show us which ports have devices connected to them. Settings. Is set to use global switch settings, which means that all the devices are synchronized from your UDM-Pro to have the settings synchronized to all devices. So for example, the screens on the devices will all be synchronized. Click on the device again, and under settings, screen, I like to have the screen brightness set, which is at the default 80%, and night mode, where the screens for all your UniFi devices will turn off during these hours. I like to set this, for example, say 9 PM at night to 7 AM in the morning, and click apply changes. Under services, leave everything as it is. Network, I like to set static addresses for devices. So as the UDM-Pro is using 192.168.1.1, I will use 192.168.1.2, which is the next device added to my network. Preferred DNS is the 192.168.1.1, which is the IP address of the UDM-Pro. The subnet mask for this IP address range is 255.255.255.0. Alternate DNS leave blank. The gateway is the IP address again of the UDM-Pro, which is 192.168.1.1. DNS suffix, you can leave that as it is, so click apply changes. Then it will say settings changes have been applied. You can close that window, and again the status of the switch, in this case the USW Pro24, as you can see the device status has now changed to online with its new IP address of 192.168.1.2. Which is fine, has a green dot next to it, which means it's all set up and active. So that completes adding the switch to the network. Thank you for watching.